this video, I am going to show you how to cash out on Cash App easily and quickly. First, open the Cash App on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're on the home screen, locate the balance displayed at the top of the screen. Tap on it to access your Cash App balance. Next, select the Cash Out option. You will be prompted to choose the amount you want to withdraw. Enter the desired amount and tap Cash Out. After that, you'll be asked to choose a cash out method. You can select Standard, which is free and usually takes 1 to 3 business days to transfer to your linked bank account, or Instant, which incurs a small fee but transfers the funds immediately. If you choose Standard, confirm your bank account details to ensure the funds go to the right place. If you select Instant, confirm the fee and complete the transaction. Once the process is complete, you will receive a notification confirming your cash out. That's it. You've successfully cashed out on Cash App. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.